Hey, today we're going to smoke some chicken thighs on the Traeger. I'm going to use a smoke tube and
we're going to season a tray of chicken thighs. Half of it's going to be Uncle Steve's Spicy R, and the other half's a new spice that I got. It's called Booyah Jamaican seasoning.
Jamaican seasoning. Hey, welcome back to Greenhorn Barbecue and Beer. If you're new here, my name is Todd and
Sassy.
And we're glad you guys can spend some time out of your day to watch some of our videos. All right, like we said earlier, we're going to be cooking some chicken thighs on the Traeger. We're going to be using just a general all-around kind of pellet, kind of a mixed blend. I'm going to be using this smoke tube thing. It's actually kind of oblong and it adjusts and stuff like that. But I'm going to use it for the first time. I've never used a smoke tube before, but to get a little bit extra smoke, we're going to try it out. And also, yes, we're going to be using Uncle Steve Shake's Spicy R. Steve sent us 3 different kinds here. We got this competition pig powder, which can't wait to try this stuff on some pulled pork, you know, maybe some pork belly, I don't know, but this is going to be a special stuff right here. Got some thick meat, really good. Nice little stuff right here. I might do this on some tri-tip.
Yep.
I'm not sure, but today we're using this Spicy R. And we're going to give this one, because we want a little zing to it.
And this Booyah Jamaican seasoning.
All right, guys, now before we get started, hey, take some time to get down there, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell so you don't miss a thing. Let's get started.
Put on your protection. We're going to do half with Uncle Steve and half with Booyah.
All right, guys, all we got to do is turn on the Traeger. So we're going to open it up, and we're going to set it for the smoke setting. You know, I'm actually going to set it for smoke, and we're going to leave it on the smoke setting for at least the first hour. And we're going to be using the smoke tube as well. So let me show you how to light this thing. This model that I have here is an actual kind that expands and contracts, but since we're not going to be doing an all-day cook, I'm just going to kind of bring it down to this, maybe just a little bit out. Now what they recommend that you do is take a torch to this and light it on fire until it starts burning, and you want to let it burn for about 10 minutes before you blow it out. That's, I suppose, to ensure that it's got a nice solid flame that it's burning. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the back. That. And now I'm just going to go ahead and light it. Let's see, maybe go over there a little bit. Go. It's kind of smoky, sorry guys. Okay, you'll just have to take my word for it that it's lit, but this is part of the startup process on the Traeger anyway. And now you're going to hear that that ventilation blower come on there, and it's going to clear out the smoke here. There we go, that's a good shot of it. It's kind of smoky. But see how it's on fire, and about 10 minutes we'll blow that out. Alright guys, it's been about 10 minutes and you can see that smoke tube is smoking away there pretty good. So I'm going to put these chicken in here. I'm going to go skin side down, and I'm going to put the Uncle Steve's seasoned stuff over here on the right side. Skin side down. Alright. And then the Jamaican seasoning I'm going to put on the left. Skin side down. Okay. Now I'll be checking these out in about an hour. And if I need to rotate them, I will. But for now, this is how it's going to be. Alright guys, it's been about 1 hour. I'm going to turn up that Traeger, but first let's take a look and flip them over. Let's take a look. Okay, I'm going to check out the temperature here a little bit. Okay, I'm going for, since these are thighs, I'm going for about 170. And they're just kind of coasting along, that's alright. That smoke tube's doing really good right now. Okay, so I'm going to crank this up, and I'm going to go up to 180, 225. I'm going to go up to 225 on the digital controller here. And I'm going to go ahead and turn these over. Oh, they're juicy. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Not bad, not bad. Okay. So I've got a little bit of no grill marks, but I don't know. Grill dents. Not bad, not bad. Okay. Okay, that looks good. Yeah, that smoke tube's doing pretty good right now. I'm gonna get the camera here and show you. Alright, see that smoke tube there? Up a little bit here, but if you can see that smoke tube there we go. I'll try to focus there for you. That smoke tube's doing pretty good right now. It's about halfway through. It's definitely adding some smoke to it. I've went ahead and turned up the heat to 225 here. I'm just going to be waiting for this Traeger to catch up. Actually, I guess I might as well close it up now. Okay, so I turned it up to 225. I closed the lid. It's going to come up to temperature. I was reading about 120 or so on most of those thighs. Now, since there are thighs, I'm going to take it up to about 170. If they were legs, maybe 175. 170 to 175. So we'll check back in about another hour.
Other ingredient.
Alright guys, it only took 2 hours to bring these up to about 170 degrees. Again, 4 of these thighs.
Thighs, baby.
4 of these thighs were Uncle Steve's Shake Spicy R. It's not focusing, you fucker. Focus. There we go.
You can't say that on YouTube. And booyah! Camera. Oh.
We used the smoke tube to give it some extra smoke. I only had it on the smoke setting for the first hour, so it came up to about 120 before I turned it up to 225. And then there was less smoke and more heat just to finish them off. So now we're going to go ahead and taste them. I'm going to try the Cajun seasoning first. Now these are really juicy because thighs have more fat in them.
Don't be tripping over the rest of the chicken.
So let me show you the inside.
How's the spice, babe? You like the spice?
It's a little salty.
A little salty?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. I didn't get any salt.
All right, now the Uncle Steve's Shake. There's a good shot of that one. Right off the bat, it's got a little bit better color, just because of some of his ingredients. You know, it's got that nice red, nice mahogany color going on there. Looks really nice. Let's test this one. A little bit more heat, but not that bad. Tastes good. It's real flavorful. Might even taste a little sweet. I'm not sure. Does it have sugar in it?
This, I think so. I taste some sweet in there.
Let me show you the inside of that one.
Yes, it says sugar.
A little bit of sugar, but you know what? It's good because it's sweet and spicy. It's got a little spice in there too. So I'm voting for the Uncle Steve Shake Chicken.
I like them both.
They're both good. This wasn't really a competition or anything like that, but if it was, Uncle Steve, I'd like yours more. So anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. See you later.
See ya.